Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to talk about what is the difference between ref and out keyword. So as you can see here on the screen, I have created one main method and there is another method is called sum. So I'm going to do some addition in this sum method. And so first of all, here you can see I have not passed any parameter here, either ref or out. So this is the simple call by value. This is the general calling method, and so here I am going to execute the program or run it in the console. So here you can see I have got two lines here printed in the console. First is the value of g is 20 and second is sum of the value is 10. So why did we get two different values? Okay, so we will understand that. So here you can see sum method is calling the sum method, and inside sum method this is the value of g which is printed first. Okay, and then this thing printed, this console printed the sum of gi. So as you can see here, the value of gi is 10 which I have initialized, and here I passed the value 10 of for the g here, and then again the g is added itself and it became 20. So that's why here in this the value of g I got 20 printed in the console and the value of gi got 10 printed. That means the gi is stored at different memory location in our RAM, and the value or the variable g is holding the different reference or the address in the memory. So now how we can use the same reference in the memory? So cause of that the ref and out keyword is introduced. So now I have added ref here and also here. So now I will run the project again, and again I will see the value of gi and the value of g in the console. So let me execute this or run the program. So now you can see here the value of g is 20 and the addition like the value after addition is again it is 20. So how did this happen? So now what we are doing, we are using ref keyword. That means the address of variable gi will be the same as the address of value g, the variable g. So cause of that, when we like called this method, then here the value became 10 plus 10 20, and again the address like the address what the variable g is holding is the same as the variable the same address which is holding the gi variable. So cause of that, like cause of the same address, the value also get like changed at the same address. So cause of that, the value or the holding the value of gi and the g is same in the console. Okay, and now let me close this. Now I will do here out, and here again I will make it out. So here you can see now I am getting error here, right? So always keep one thing in mind, that whenever you are going to define or initialize any parameter with out keyword, then you must need to define this variable inside this method. So once I will do this, then again I will not see the error, but here now we need not to initialize the value of it. So if I can do this, like I will do this, then there will be not any issue in the code. Okay, so now again you can see here we have changed the value of g, and now we are not passing anything value or any value here of from like the value of gi. So now let me run the program. And here you will see that the output will be 20 plus 20 will be the 40, the same value will be for G as well as for GI. So you can see here the value of G is 40, which is printed from the line number 29, and again the sum of the value is 40, which is also printed from the caller method, sorry, this one from the line number 17. Okay, so here you can see that how this value got printed here, the same value. So there is one similarity between ref and out, and that similarity is both the keywords are being used to call a method with using like the scenario of call by reference. That means what we are going to pass the method pass the variable in the parameter is going to use the same address. Like if I do change any value inside the G, that the same value will be also changed in the GI, because both the values are using the same address in the memory. Okay, so that's the main thing. Okay, and then what is the difference between them? So as you can see, the name suggests ref and out. Ref is the two-way binding function. That means we can pass the parameter from this, like this is the caller method, the main method is the caller method, and this is the calling method, the sum. So we can pass the parameter from caller to callee, and again we can pass the output values from sum method to the main method using the ref. But in out we cannot pass the value from main method to sum method. Suppose if I have put here suppose 2, then when I will pass it the variable from here to here, okay, then the value of 2 will not be passed, and it will never be passed if I am going to use the out. It will be passed in only one condition, when I will use here the ref. So let me show you again here, and you will see here again we will get the output 40 for both the value of G variable as well as for the GI variable. So you can see here we got the value 40. That means what we had added here the value or initialized the value 2, that is not passed to the sum method. Okay, and cause of that I am getting the value 40, because 20 plus 20 is 40. So the difference is that the out variable is always used to return the value from sum method to main method, or we can say from the callee method to caller method, and ref can be used to pass the value from main method to sum and sum to main method. Okay, and one more difference is that in the out method it doesn't care whether we have like initialize the value of GI variable GI or not. Okay, but suppose we must need to initialize the variable of variable inside the sum. So this is the difference, and you can see now we started getting error here because we have commented this. That's why we must need to initialize the value of G here. Okay, and one more thing, when I will use ref, then you will see that here we are not getting error, but here I will get error, and that error is like we must need to initialize the value of GI. Okay, you can see here use of unassigned local variable GI, so I must need to initialize it here. Okay, and now you can see now I am not getting the error, and here we will see here I have passed 9, and now I will able to transfer the value from there to here. So let me run this. So you can see now 9 plus 9 is coming 18, and these both are the reference type variable, and cause of that the value get changed at the same address in the memory. So like this you can use it, the value or the ref and out variable in your program or in your project to make your project more efficient or more memory efficient. Okay, so that is all in this video guys, and hope you like this video, and if you like it then please hit the like button and the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching.